I started by using my soldering iron to cut a hole in a plastic plate that I purchased at Dollar Tree. Then I used Gorilla Hot Glue to attach a condiment cup into the space that I had cut out. I attached a second plate to the bottom of my condiment cup using Gorilla Hot Glue. Next, I took the handles off of my plastic spoons and I arranged them around the top plate in a flower-like pattern. After my first row was done, I went back in with the second row of spoons and I arranged them so that each spoon would sit in between the gaps of the first row of spoons. Since I was leaving my spoons clear, I used gems that I purchased at Dollar General to hide the hot glue underneath. After I was done placing my gems on my first row, I placed smaller gems on my second row. After I was done placing my gems on my first and second row of spoons, I removed the handles from smaller condiment spoons that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and I made a third row of spoons. I used the handles from my condiment spoons to make a star-like pattern around my piece. And this is what it looked like. Next, I used clear Elmer's glue to place face filler that I purchased at Dollar Tree at the center of my flower. Once my glue dried at the center, I was basically done. To hang this piece, I used a hook that I already had and I attached it using Gorilla Hot Glue and tacks. I tested my light, and this is what it looked like when I was all done. The lights that I used in this video can be purchased at Walmart. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.